Hello, everybody, and you were having some fun. Thank you, Pisco Girl. And guess what? Spin 2 team. I spinned. I was the overlord. Spin 2 team was a triangle-licking thingy. I love calling them triangle-licking thingies. You know why? What? I died. You know, people can die in this game. I have to go back to the middle. Pisco Girl. No, Pisco Girl. Remember, it's me. Except I'm not really a nerd. Yay! This is like really. This actually gets like really fun.
I'm pretty sure she unsubscribed.
I don't even think she knows that I'm YouTubing right now. Most likely it's a she, possibly a he. I mean, like, what? What? Possibly it was a he. That's switched gender with like this surgery thingy. You know how that? You know, it sounds like it's gonna hurt a lot. And like literally, who would do that? Well, I know like 2 people that probably would. Number 1, I died like right here. Like literally, my triangles were kind of slow. Even though they had 4
bullets. Actually very sarcastic.
What?
You're like, no.
You're a mom. You're a mom. No, you're a mom. No, I'm talking to the guy's name. It's like, it looks like it's your mom, but it's not. Hi, Sam, I am. I don't like Sam. He's annoying me. As in looking at me weirdly like he wants to kiss me. I want your points now. I want Sam's points. I'm kind of scared to come out because I feel like people are going to try to kill me. Hi, Uriel. This is the only person that I actually like in the game. Uriel. And Super. And, Sam. Don't fan me. And, no thank you. I did not want to, oops. That was my actual bad. I did not see, I'm so sorry, Super. I did not see you there. It's like, really, don't you know how sad it is when you're like, accidentally killed one of your, let's just say, weirdo best friends. I mean, I just did that. Come on.
Is it weird that Nathan has no best friends?
Yeah, it's right. That's actually true. My only friends are subscribers, which I'm probably going to have not until, like, next year, which would be 2010. It seems like it's 2010. Okay? It's not my fault I'm bad at reading. Who does that? I mean, literally. Who
looks at the Barbie doll?
I hate Barbie dolls. They give me nightmares.
You take their clothes off and scream naked Barbie
Do
doll.
not! Sam! Stop annoying me. Demon! I don't want. Oops. No, literally, I don't like dolls. I'm not the type of person that likes dolls. Okay. I don't. Okay, don't actually listen to this weirdo stories. Get it? Because you're a weirdo. You got weirdo stories. What? It's true. You are a weirdo, and you actually do have weirdo stories. All how to do is end this. Like, you automatic upgrade. Like, it's the best thing that you can actually do. Then I have to, like, literally end this. Like, it doesn't take very long at all. I mean, all you gotta be is, like, a sniper. You can snipe people, as in, murder them. Yeah, I don't literally. Oreo, the one that actually doesn't annoy me, is actually number 1 on Oreo. You know, I'm so cold, so seems like he's like, I'm so cold. I feel like he's like a type of person that thinks.
You're not so cool, Nathan.
Shut up. The guy's person's name is I'm so cold, and I'm Spin 2.
Yeah, but don't say.
Oreo, please don't do this to me. Also, oh hi, Spin.
So who's your new sub?
I don't have any subs. Only my mom and my dad. Those are my only subs. Oh, Sam, I am! More games? What do you mean? You have more No.
And I suggest
Of course. No, literally, my name is Little Lil Evil Wolf inside of Minecraft. Just play on purpleprison.net. It's the only server I actually play on.
I've ever seen on that horse, but I don't like you anymore.
I don't like you anymore either, because you're annoying. It's so funny to annoy people that love being annoyed. That hate being annoyed. It's like, that went really wrong out of my mouth. I was like, that love being, like, that, oh, hi, I'm gonna let you have a free kill since I killed you so many times. Dude. I don't wanna. I don't. Yeah. What? Oh my gosh. That did no damage. What did no damage? I don't know what did.
There's something called the truth, and then fighting people. Like, I found my truth and stuff, her stuff, and taking them away. She's like, oh, you need this for a role-playing game.
Role-playing game. Visible fan, please don't die. No, Visible fan, don't die. You too. That was a fail. And, I guess I have to actually get out of here, like, nothing happened. Yeah, like, literally, guys, nothing happened, people. No! You knew! You can't kill Visible fan! No, you knew. What? Somebody's hunting! There's a hunter?
Dress for soccer.
Mom.
I don't want to
No, you don't have to come. You can stay home.
Oh, not pro. Pro's a noob. Pro. Can you even hit me? Pro.
Mason, I want you to quiet down and we need to get ready for soccer. We need to leave in 15 minutes and you're not even dressed.
I thought we needed to leave at 8:30.
What time is it?
8:08.
And it's 8 plus 13? Nathan, we have to be driving away at 8:30. We need to start getting in the car. Between 8:20 and 8:30.
Fine, I'll get dressed. Hi, I'm sorry about that. It was just like, yeah, you get it. It was only like 15 minutes.
Mom, you're not going to finish that. No.
My gosh, annoying people these days.
I'm just watching this house that's right now. The girl on this one knows. Daddy's Oh, yeah.
Oreo. Hi, Oreo.
I love my
Okay, here we go. I sit from taking my pill. I usually lay down, but I don't want to wait for you.
Oh, yeah, you cut it.
What are you turning into, buddy? You play Five Nights at Freddy's, Jane? I like it better than dolls. What? The dolls are creepy. Do you even know what dolls even look like? Because I would miss it. Dolls are so creepy. Literally, who? Cute.
Nathan, did you eat breakfast? Nate, did you eat breakfast?
Yeah, I did.
Cereal or what?
Yeah, I ate something. I did. I ate.
What's the time now?
I don't know.
Maybe you can see it on your screen.
Yo, not this dude. Not this dude again. All I want to do is kill this guy. It's so annoying. I want for you to die. Huh?
Oh, I'm in the studio. Yeah, I know that's right.
Really education for being useful.
Yeah, what is it expressive? Second with Oh, mommy, look at the crucifix. Oh, this is cute. That's fun. I don't want it.
By the way, guys, we'll leave off the episode right here. It's been really fun to actually do this.
What the heck?
What do you mean, what the heck? Are you like an assistant or like a ranger or something? Probably.